Come soon, I have a very nice surprise for you.
Surprise?
Fast, fast. Where he is?
Yes, brother. Get up. Who are you?
Brother, I am.
Oh, are you her lover? Come.
Brother, where are you taking me?
Why are you getting scared?
Listen to me.
Yes, brother, come.
She was actually.
He ran so quickly. Oh, thank God. He left.
Hey, why did you go out? You are talking about surprise something. Where is my surprise?
Oh, that one. I was just doing a prank. Actually, bedsheet was dusty, so I just went to clean it up.
You are kidding a lot these days. I thought you have hidden something behind the bedsheet.
I'm hiding? What am I hiding? I'm hiding nothing. I was just doing a prank. What will I hide from you?
Why are you so scared? I was just saying that I thought you have hidden something surprise behind the bedsheet.
Okay, no, there was no surprise. I was just doing a prank to make you happy. That's why.
Okay. Okay, you tell me something. Did anyone come?
No, nobody came. Why were you asking me? Did something happen?
I think someone has come to the house.
No, who will come to your home? I get bored whole day alone in this home. Do you know how much I miss you?
Yes, that's true. It's very difficult to spend a day alone. You miss me so much. By the way, you tell me something. You miss me so much, but you have never called me in the day.
Call? I don't call you. Whole day you are busy in your office. So if I will call you, you will be disturbed unnecessarily, no? That's why.
You are so smart. Not everyone gets a smart wife like you.
Yes, it is.
Now that I have found such a smart wife, then I have a surprise for you.
You got a surprise for me.
Yes, I have surprise for you.
Show me, what is it? Sanju? Who is he? How did he come to our home?
Now he'll tell you all this. Yes, come here. Look, tell me the truth. Who are you and how did you come to our house and why did you come to our house? It's okay if you tell the truth. Otherwise, I'll hand you over to the police.
Hey, why were you asking to him? He came to our home. He must have came for theft. Why he will tell you the truth? You do one thing. Let's call the police and hand him over to the police.
At least give him a chance to speak.
No need to give him any chance. He will lie only.
Brother, I'll tell you the truth.
Yes, tell me. What is the truth?
She and I have been in a relationship for the past 8-9 months. When you used to go to the office, she used to call me and she would send me out of the house before you came.
He's lying. I don't even know him.
You don't know me? Should I show you your messages or should I show you our pictures?
Sanju, why are you listening to him? Just throw him out of our home.
I'll throw him out of the house. Not just him, but both of you together.
Both of us? Why? I have done nothing. I am saying the truth. He is lying.
Is he lying? He has all the proof. And why do I need proof? You were hiding him behind the sheet, huh? Surprise. This is a surprise for me. You do one thing, take your surprise and get out of my house.
Believe me, please.
I don't want to believe anything. Take him and get out of the house right now. Get out.
Dushyant, whatever happened, it happened for good. We also wanted that Sanju should know everything and he will give me divorce so that we both can get married. So come now, let's go and marry.
Marriage? With a deceitful girl like you? You were about to get me arrested by the police? If you had supported me, I would have got married.
But now I don't trust you.
But Dushyant, listen to me.